Hello, this is Ahmed and I'm going to review an amazing headphone, melo.plugintomusic 8 Pro by Unboxed. So before I talk about some good things, let's talk about some amazing features. So two things to be highlighted, the sound and the looks. Yes, looks does matter. So I like the battery life, it is up to so many hours. With ANC, you can use this for 20 straight hours, and without active noise cancellation, this worked for 30 straight hours. So yes, it has a charging type C and the battery life is 300 mAh. It has a charging aux port, soft cushioning, build is really good. This is like pillow under your head. With 300 mAh battery, V5.4 Bluetooth. So overall, it is a very smart way to do music in a very stylish way.